Hi, I'm here with my pool vacuum. I wanted to show you this because I use this every day in my pool and this is super helpful. So this is a 12 by 7 by 16 size, so super easy to handle and it's a great size. And there is two brushes on the bottom which can help you sweep your pool on the bottom and collect all the debris from the bottom and leaves or whatever is in your pool. And you can easily clean the filter. You just open the side, take it apart, and this is the filter part, and you can clean it this area. All the debris and dirt comes through with this little hole right there. So you clean everything that way and you can put it together very easily, just like this, 1, 2, 3, what you can see. Very easy to turn it on. There is a turn on button on the bottom. So when you turn it on, you hear a beep, and then when you place it on the pool, it starts beeping. Before you use it, you have to charge it. There is a charger, comes with this vacuum, and you can charge it on the bottom, but it's very important you don't charge upside down. You have to place your vacuum this way and charge it this way. Charging time is about 3 hours. You can vacuum for 90 minutes, about 900 square feet. And this is great for any type of pool, vinyl, PVC, or concrete pool. First step, you turn on the pool vacuum, what I mentioned before. And with the handle, you hold your vacuum and let it into your pool. Make sure it fills up with water. And then slowly let it into your pool and it starts vacuuming. So it's in the bottom of my pool and it starts working right away. What you can see, cleaning up all the debris and bugs, leaves, whatever is in the bottom. My vacuum is done with the cleaning and is self-parked on the side of the pool, and we have to take it out now. Okay, so if your pool is very deep, comes with a hook like this one, and you can place it on a rod, but I was able to reach it without that. So let's take it out and wait 15 seconds or a few seconds until all the water comes out from the vacuum. Make sure you drain it. So let's open the vacuum and see how is the filter look like. Very easy to open, what I mentioned before. Just open on the side, and this is how is the filter looks like, and all the bottom. So I have to clean this out. Very easy. I can hose this down and dry it. So after everything dries, I just place everything together and I keep it in my shed, and I can use this every day. I love it. It perfectly cleans my pool and I highly recommend it. I hope this review was helpful to you. See you next time. Bye.